Hey guys, welcome back. In this particular video, we are going to talk about the golden rule of accountancy and the rule of debit and credit. Okay, guys, in our previous video, we generally talk about the different type of accounts in accountancy, like real account, personal account, nominal accounts. So I hope you guys are aware about these particular thing. Okay, so please do watch that particular video. So when we talk about real account, it include all the assets of a firm. Okay, so we have tangible and intangibles like plant, machinery, property, goodwill. So they generally part of the real account. And the another one was personal account. So if you talk about the personal account, it is related to individual, related to firms, companies. So we have further categorization of personal account as well. And the third one is nominal account. So nominal, they generally exist in name only. Okay, so we generally close these particular account within a financial year, and we transfer the balance for trial balance. For your profit and loss account. Okay, so now please do watch those that particular video. That will give you a proper clarity about the real, nominal, and personal account. Now we also discussed the golden rule. In this particular video, with the help of examples, we'll try to understand the golden rule of debit and credit and how to use these particular ones. So, for a personal account, I would suggest please do make a chart, and this chart will help you when while you memorizing the debit credit rule. Okay, so personal account, the rule is debit the receiver and credit the giver. In case of real account, it is debit the what comes in and credit what goes out. And in case of nominal account, we have debit all the expenses and income, all the expenses and losses, and credit all the income and gains. So we will discuss these particular account one by one with the help of example. So first we have a real account. So golden rule for real account, I hope now you remember this one. So what comes in, that will be debited, and what goes out, that will be credited. So now we'll take an example. So purchase furniture for 10,000 cash. So now you remember that rule, debit what comes in. So what is coming in, that is purchase. So you'll debit this particular one. Purchase account will be, or sorry, the furniture account will be, the furniture account will be debited, and cash account will be credited in this particular case. So here you can see the entry as well. So furniture account debited and cash account credited. So while you prepare your journals, so you need two things. First one, you need a proper clarity about the different type of accounts in accountancy, or that particular entry belongs to personal account, nominal account, or real account. And another thing you need to, like, that is very important one, so that is your golden rules. So you need to remember these one. Okay, next one is personal account. So if you talk about the personal accounts, so debit the receiver and credit the giver. So this is the golden rule for personal account. So we'll discuss with the help of an example. So paid ABC Limited 20,000 by check. Okay, so here check means bank. Check is generally cleared by the bank. So ABC account. So now what was the rule? So what was the rule? Debit the receiver. So who is receiving that particular money? ABC Limited. So ABC account will be debited, and check means bank account will be credited. Okay, so you can see the entry, ABC Limited account debited and bank account credited. Okay, so just remember these golden rule. Okay, so if you remember these particular rule, that is like you can easily made entries in journal. Okay, third one, or the final account, that is nominal accounts. So nominal accounts related to income and expenses. Okay, so debit all the expenses and credit all the income. So like we have salary accounts, we have like let's say we have different income and expenses in any organization. So that is, I'll give you an example. So purchase good for 15,000 in cash. Okay, so now purchase good. So what will be purchase goods? So if you are purchasing goods, so that will make an expense. Okay, so purchase account will debit it in this particular case, and cash account will be credited in this particular case. Okay, so debit all the expenses and credit all the income. So when, like, we already read about the dual aspect of accountancy, or like debit and credit rules. If there is one account will debited, definitely there will another account which will be credited. Okay, so here debit purchase account will debited and cash account will be credited for these two parties. Okay, so the only thing I would say, you can practice more and more question based on debit credit. Okay, and like sometimes student, they generally get confused while they are preparing, while they are generally studying these particular things. The only thing is practice, on only mantra is practice. If you'll practice more and more, so you'll definitely get these particular, like the different classification, or you will definitely make right entries toward the golden rule as well. Okay, so just make a chart, just do practice. Even I'll come with some questions that is definitely going to help you to identify which entry belongs to personal account, real account, or nominal account, or even the golden rule as well. Okay, so guys, hope you enjoy this particular video. If you like the video, please do share with your friends, and if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe, and please do shares, if so other can also join us, and we can increase our reach. So this is it. Thank you for watching this video.